Let's start the particular session. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number, actually module 2 in that chapter 1, which is called as list. So first of all, let me take you on syllabus part so that you will have a idea what we are going to do here. In previous class, exception handling we have completed. Now in today's lecture, we want to do actually this particular two programs, which is already I have given in your notebook. So go through this program, do this program by own and try to run this particular program. If you are getting any problem, just let me know. On Monday, I will confirm the whatever your doubt related to this program. Please mute yourself. Trupti, please mute yourself. Okay. So this is what the particular these two topic from the notes, just try to run it because this is program. You have to do exercise on these programs. One is guessing the number. Another one is collate the sequence program. What is this? What methodology? In what way we have to do? Everything I listed out in your notes. So go through notes, then you will come to know what exactly it is and how you can perform it. Still, if you are getting problem, you are unable to perform, then Monday in the class, just let me know. I will explain this. Maybe for your exam point of view, they might ask this program. So just go through that. Today's agenda is to do module 2 and in that list. So before begin with list, we should know about container. Container is very important part in the Python. Basically, what is container? Let me take you on. This particular syllabus is visible. Please confirm. You may skip also. You may speak also. No problem. Dear students, please reply whether this syllabus is visible for you all. Anyone? Am I audible? Class, please reply. Am I audible? PPT is visible for you all? Okay, okay, fine, perfect. So let me take you on this particular PPT. What is container? I want to discuss with you all container. PPT is visible for you all? Class, PPT is visible for you all? You may reply by audio also, no problem. Okay, perfectly. Now everything is working properly. So we can start now. So before begin with the list, we should know about what is container. And basically container in OOPS programming, object-oriented programming, always you will go through container. What is container? If literally you see what is container, kind of a box which contain multiple items. Container literal meaning is a box which may contain uh, different types of items. So that is in general, but what is exactly in programming language? A container in Python is a data structure. A data structure. What is data structure now? Data structure means in what way you are organizing the computer memory. Either you can say how your data is getting stored in the computer memory, that is called as data structure. For example, in your mobile phone you have seen that gallery. Gallery means what? There is a photo you are saving, some document item you are saving, some video you can save. So you are seeing that in gallery automatically that kind of a folder is there which already segregate the data based on the data type. If photo is there, that will go into photo type of a box. If our folder, if there is something video related, that will go into video folder. This is what the data structure. In what way your memory is keeping the things. So container in Python is a data structure that can hold and manage the multiple elements or objects together. For example, what are the containers in Python? List, tuple, set, dictionary, string. So in today's, I mean, your as per syllabus, we have to do first list. Next, we will start tuple, set, dictionary, and string. Everything one by one we will cover as per your syllabus. So this is what the agenda. So container, I think clear with you all. Container is nothing but it's a kind of a data structure which is used to hold and manage the multiple type of elements. What are the elements? Basically, this element you can say data type. Data type. What are the data type? List, tuple, set, dictionary, and string. In last lecture, I mean in the classroom, I have already explained about the types of data. Let me take you on types of data, then I will come. Please confirm whether this Python data types is visible for you all. Please confirm once. Class, please confirm because it's not, I cannot confirm it whether it is visible for you all or not. So, okay, perfect, perfect. So it's visible for you all. Python data types. You observe here, there are different of a data types. And I can say, I will say for you all, just remember it. First, blindly remember it, Python data types. This will help you. This will help you to organize the data. For example, today's topic is list. List is under sequence data type. List is under sequence data type. So, which you have to remember. Before that, we had studied integer, float, boolean. So, this type of a data type we have already studied. Now we are doing another kind of a data type that is called as list, which comes under sequence data type. Understood? So Python, in Python, these are the data types. In that we have to do today list. So keep in mind. But what is list exactly? List is nothing but it's a container. List is a container. Not only list, tuple, set, dictionary, these are also a container only. So keep in your mind, we are dealing here with container. Container is nothing but it's a data structure which is used to hold and manage the your elements. Elements means whatever item you want to keep inside the memory. I hope this is clear with you all. So make it note and let me take you on again PPT part. So container, in container, today's topic is list. Not today only. I think tomorrow also we will go through list only. 2-3 lecture we have to do list. Later we'll start with tuple and string. So list is ordered mutable collection of data. Ordered mutable collection of data. What is meaning of ordered? What is meaning of collection? That we have to understand, and what is the meaning of mutable? That we have to go through this all. So before that, what is the purpose of container? The purpose of container is used to hold the different type of data types. Support for iteration. You want to perform some looping operation. You can use as a nested. One by one, this we will learn everything with the help of programming. Initially, I'm taking with through this theory part. Later, I will take you on a VS Code where I will explain these things, what exactly it is. So come to point, introduction to list. So the definition of list is lists are an essential Python data type that store multiple value in an ordered sequence. Keep in mind, this is a sequential type of a data type and which is used to maintain the data in ordered manner. Sometime they are asking the question in the Vibar interview, list is what type of a data type. So you should tell this is ordered sequence data type. So order means you are organizing the data in order only. They are very useful for handling large amount of data. This is theory prospect, just you read it. Like string, list or value. Similar to string, like string, how is storing the values. Same way, we are through the list, we are storing the values. That can be stored in a variable and passed to function. Passed to function. Next, a list can even contain other lists, allow for hierarchical data structure like table and tree. These are the bit advanced topic, but we will go through in our further lectures about these lines. Now, a list starts with this particular opening square bracket and closing square bracket. You have to remember this. A list starts with, whenever you are writing the list, you are using these two brackets, square bracket. And items are separated by comma. For example, observe here. I have taken a string example. This is basically, I'm following your book pattern. Here, opening braces, square bracket. Then, in string for one variable you have taken, one item you have taken, you can say, I separated by comma, then other item, and so on. This is how you can initialize the list. Later, list can contain mixed data type also. It is not like that only string or anything. You may keep inside the list string value, float value, some boolean value, some literal, some integer value, and so on. This is how list can store the data. I hope this is clear with you all. That's why this is called as a container, because they are storing the different types of data, and where they are storing inside this opening and closing square bracket or index bracket or array bracket, you whatever you want to call, you can call it. And you may keep different types of data by separating comma based on their data type. You can separate through comma. So this is what the little bit theory prospect of a list. This is very important question for your exam. I think it is out question. You but just go through this theory. You may write. You need to write this type of a theory also. And next, you can say syntax. What is syntax of a list? So syntax is nothing but just take one variable, assign list in the variable through this square bracket by keeping the values or elements inside this bracket. You may take any kind of elements. Based on element, you can just assign, and you just, if you want to keep multiple value, you should use this comma to separate it. Spam is one of variable you have taken here, holds one value. The entire list, which itself contain multiple items. Though this particular list contains multiple items, but this for spam variable, this is one value only. So this particular whole item is considered as one value for this variable. You may initialize empty list also. Empty list also acceptable, and that will like empty string. So everything we will do practical. Don't worry. Some theory prospect we have to go through. After that, I will take you on VS Code. Accessing list elements by index. So accessing list elements by index. Use square bracket. You know, while when you are doing the list, you are using the square bracket with an index to access the individual value in list. So now let me explain this through this whiteboard. Let me confirm whether this whiteboard is visible for you all. Please confirm. Class, please confirm whether whiteboard is visible for you all. Am I audible? Class, please confirm. It's a whiteboard is visible for you all. Anyone, please reply either by audio or chat box. Okay, perfect. So observe here. List. 1 second. 1 second. List. What is list? You know, list is a ordered mutable collection. Ordered mutable collection. So how you can declare the list? Let's say you have taken one variable called as spam. You need to assign some value in spam through list. So this is your opening square bracket. You may take any value. I have taken some integer value, and you will close through this square bracket only. Now this particular is index 0, this one is index 1, this is index 2, this is index 3, this is index 4. This is how you can get the indexing for the list. It's a very similar to array, only difference here you can assign the negative indexing also. Here you can assign the negative index also. How? See, this last element is -1, second last -2, third last -3, fourth last -4, and fifth -5. So this is how your list is working. Indexing is very important here. Indexing is very important. If you want to fetch first element, so you can call this particular first element through index 0. Similar way for all other elements. Even you can fetch the data from reverse also. So I think you have clear now, you have an ample amount of idea what exactly list is and how you can initialize the list and what is the index and what is negative indexing. This small brief I think I have given in my classroom lecture. So you have idea about this. Now let me take you on VS Code. There I will explain some few features till what you have studied. Again, please confirm this is visible for you all, this VS Code. Class, VS Code is visible for you all. I think it's very small only. I need to. VS Code is visible. Class, please tell me. Anyone, please tell. Anyone, please tell me. VS Code is visible for you all. Okay, perfect. Now we are in VS Code. So what we will do here, actually this is you have to learn here on VS Code, how you can apply the list. So let me take one example, spam. Spam is one of variable. In that I will apply the list. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These 6 elements I have taken. Okay. Now you observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This demonstrate the one order line. Understood? That's why this is called as list is called as uh, ordered ordered organization of elements. Understood? Now how you can get this list in your output panel? So you know, in when you are working on the interactive shell mode, you can call directly, you can write the this particular variable, you will get the this list. Observe here, in your output you are getting the list. So first you will declare list, initialize the some elements in the list. That whole elements, collection of elements, consider as a one value for this particular spam variable. And now you are returning the spam by that way. One more, you can even print it. You can even print it by that. And again, you will get the same result. So this is what the way to fetch the data from the list. I hope this is clear with you all. Now, the logic is, what if I uh, want to take only one this particular element? One. One means zero index. So what I will do here, I will write in the this array bracket as a zero. What it will do, whatever value at the index 0, that will return on the your output. Observe here, print spam array bracket, inside that your index number 0. And you just remember, index number never be 0. Don't confuse with that. Here you can't put I mean minus, sorry, 0 you can keep, minus you can't keep here. So 0, you want to get the this one value on your output. So what you will do is spam 0 means 0 index. This inside 0 will tell please return value whatever at index 0. Observe here, you are getting 1. What if you want 2, then what is the index number of 2? 1. So just pass inside the this particular square bracket 1. What you will get here? 2, and so on. In this order you can print different elements from the list. What if you want to print whole index through this indexing? What you all have to do, simply colon, don't give column first, I will tell 0 0 colon, total 6 digits I have. So let's say I'm passing here 6. So what it will do, 0 to 6, 0 to 6 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means, you know, always indexing is n minus 1. I have already explained this concept. Huh? Any confusion? If you have any doubt, you may
N
ask.
ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ పెట్టుకున్నాడు, ఇప్పుడు పెట్టుకున్నాడు వాడు. నాకబ్బా బయట ఫోన్ చేసి చెప్పింది.
Please mute yourself.
వాడి కొత్త ఉంటే
Please mute yourself. Who's this? Let me take attendance first. All of you, attendance. So I hope this is clear with you all. What this indexing is, it starts from zero, and will go and minus one. So that's why when I am working on my here, when I'm passing 0 to 6, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what it will return? It will return this particular index. Observe here. The same index it is returning. So the colon operator is telling that this is start, this is end. This is start point, this is end point. Even you need not to put 0 here, only colon 6. It will tell that automatically it will consider from 0 to 6. Observe here. Again, you are getting the same output. So these are the few features you have to learn in list, how list is working and how list is returning the value on your output. So I hope till here you are clear with. And as I told you, this is working in reverse order also. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Let's say I am inside that I am giving -1. What it will return? -1 means from last index. -1 means last index. -2 means second last index. -3 means third last index. In this way, it will go. So -1 means 6. Let's see. See, observe here. It is returning 6 also. This is what the meaning of this particular, what you can say, list, and how you can return the value. If you want the whole list in reverse order, so what you have to do? You want to print this complete list in reverse order. So there is a formula. Use colon and again colon and keep it as it is. What it will tell? It will start from -1 and it will go to their last index. Last index in reverse order. Observe here. In reverse order, you are getting your complete data. And how easy it is to print anything in reverse order through Python. If you do the same program in other programming language, might you will write the 5 to 10 lines code. But in Python, you are able to perform in single line. This is what the beauty of Python. That is very less line they are taking to perform the bigger tasks. That's why it is a very data efficient coding. So I hope till here, no problem with you all. If you have any problem, you can revise the video, which I will provide later on. And just go, I will provide the notes also for that. Lecture wise notes I will give in your group. So go through notes, go through this video. You will come to know what exactly in your syllabus. And by that you can perform the preparation for your internal examination. And these are the important question for your exam point of view. These are the basics. Might you will get this some logical question. Next class I will take some logical question also. So till here, I think you are clear with. And this is how indexing in from normal order and from reverse order you have seen, and how you can get the data here. This is what exactly we want to learn here in Python. Python list. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Please ask class. Otherwise, I will move on to next topic. One more thing here I want to display. You may take here some, you can miscellaneous item also. Miscellaneous means you may take some string value, you may take one float value, might you will take some larger double, you can say this bigger value. Python is working in this order also. So if you observe here, I want to print this particular list. What I will do, I will pass this particular variable inside the print. So this is how it will go, print. Why this is okay. Now, if I want to print, observe here, this is perfectly returning the value. There is no problem. So Python is working at very large level, large range. That's why this is very preferred. And least power is that that is able to store large values. You have seen in your PPT somewhere one point. Basically, here list are values. List can even contain other list that I will come. A large amount of data. Observe here in your PPT. They can incredibly useful for handling the large amount of data. This means that here you can apply large amount of data. That will also working in the list. So this is what the exactly meaning of. And one more point, list can even contain other list also. So let me justify this particular point one by one. Let's say this is one list. One more list I'm taking here is spam one, and I'm assigning some value, or let's say 3, 5, 8, anything. It is up to you. Now they're telling list may contain another list. What is the meaning of this? So I can say uh, cat. Cat means not cat. What is the definition? List may contain other list. So I'm taking other list. One variable I'm taking here, other list, and I'm telling here that spam, comma, spam one. Observe here. If I will return print other list, if I will return other list, what you will get here? You will get the first these value. First these value will come here. Later, this value will go here. And at the end, the whole will combine and together you will get here as a output. Observe here. See, list containing other list. One bracket, one bracket. Inside that, spam, one variable value and second variable value. This is what exactly meaning of a list can even contain other list in hierarchical data structure. This is what the meaning. Even you can declare here also. Let me show you this example here. Even I need not to declare this here. Even this also. What I will do, I will simply take this particular list. I will apply comma and I will paste here. I will paste here. Now observe here, one variable spam, in that some list you have taken here, some value you have taken here, and one more list value you have taken here inside the list only. If I will return this particular through this variable spam, if I will run it, you will get the exactly this data. Observe here. So this is what they exactly mean of one list can contain another list also. So this is the power of list. This all you have to keep in mind for your exam point of view. Might they will ask the question this type, take one list and insert in that one more list and return it. Then you have to return in this order. Understood? So this is what exactly mean of in this particular. Now I think we had covered till here mixed data also we had we understood, and till here no problem. Now what if I want to fetch this particular list? What is the indexing for this? Observe here 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the indexing for this? If I will write here, for example, let's say 3. What exactly you will get? 0, 1, 2, 3. Let me take 4. What you will get in this? 4. Fourth index. Observe here. You are getting the complete list. So this means that this is one index itself inside the list, which is the technical part which you have to understand. The location in the memory in this index is 4, which contain this list itself. This is what exactly mean. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? So this is how you can return the value of this particular list also. So let me take you on again PPT. Till here you are understood what is the mean of that. Now the one point they given, you can also directly access list value without storing the list. What is the meaning of this? If I don't want to use this print value, even that also I don't want to use. How I can get the value? See, I am running directly this particular assigned list and you are getting the output. So this is what the meaning of that. You can also directly access the list value without storing the value. But what if you want to access this particular value? How you can return without doing anything? So observe, indexing is very important here. 0, 1, 2, and this is what? 0, 1, 2, index number 2. So just put one more index here and pass 2. This index will say what is the index number 2? 0, 1, 2. How to reverse the 2 list? That I will explain. Don't worry. I will explain. First, line by line, go through this. I will explain everything. So, I want to print this particular value. I want to print this particular value. So what you will do? You have to write outside the index number. Now you run it, you are getting the value. And you want to print this. What is the indexing of this? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So come here 4. Observe here, you are getting. And what is your question? That I will explain in next class, because today we have less time, 5 minutes only. So I will explain these topics also. We have even multiple index and you want multiple list and you want to reverse it. It is all very easy. There is a slicing something called. When I will explain slicing, that time I will explain this topic. So there is a lot more we have to go through. This is first lecture only. And I'm stopping here only. From second class, I will start from this particular point. So I will explain this point. Nested list, I will explain. Negative indexing, I will explain. Then I will explain slicing, sublist and slicing. And here I will explain how you can reverse the whatever value you want to reverse. So this is what exactly the agenda. And because today is first lecture for the list, I think it's enough for you. And half an hour class we have completed now. If you have any query, please make it note down. When we will meet in our classroom lecture, one by one raise your queries. There I will solve, because here non-interactiveness is there. Maybe it's your personal question, but I will explain, no problem. I will explain here. But for better understanding, I will emphasize these things in a more broader way in the classroom. For your exam point of view, these are the points is very important. And revise this video again. You will come to know what exactly we had detailed today. You may go through some other YouTube channel also to better understanding, but don't go deeper, because your syllabus is not telling to go deeper. First, you keep in your mind for your exam perspective. Later, we can go through some, when in last moment we will have a time, then that time we will understand the machine learning model also, no problem. But first, learn basics. Understood? So I'm stopping here only. Again, tomorrow we will meet the same time. And after 10-15 minutes, you will get the notes and you will get this particular video also. And you can go through. And just prepare your notes also. And for your exam, whatever updates I will get from the other faculties, I will let you know what type of a question they are going to ask and what requirement you have to do from your end. And before that, you just prepare with yourself with basics. What basics of every topic is there, you just go through and follow the book pattern. You will get the questions from that pattern only. Okay, thank you so much for joining. You may leave now.